Hi everyone, welcome to Passion to Profits. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 passive income ideas for beginners. These methods can help you earn money with minimal ongoing effort. Let's dive in. These methods can help you earn money with minimal ongoing effort. Let's dive in. Idea 1. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. By investing in these stocks, you can earn a steady stream of income. Idea 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in property projects with a small amount of money. Platforms like Fundrise let you earn rental income and appreciation. Idea 3. Digital products. Create and sell digital products like eBooks, online courses, or printables. Once created, these products can generate sales repeatedly without much extra work. Idea 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Invest in peer-to-peer lending platforms where you lend money to individuals or small businesses. You earn interest on the loans, providing a passive income stream. Idea 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. This can be done through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. And there you have it. The top 5 passive income ideas for beginners. Remember, the key to success is to start small and stay consistent. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite passive income idea. Thanks for watching Passion to Profits.